Hello everyone, my name is Carissa Clark and I am asking for $7,290 to fund my research on relationships between toy types and language learning in children between the ages of 1.5 and 2 years old. My personal experience is in the field of psychology with a specific focus in behavior. As of right now, I work as a therapist with young children with autism spectrum disorder in a clinical setting. And I have personally seen the effect that the right toy can have on a child's willingness to use language. Watching this interaction has led to my having favorite toys to use with nonverbal children and led to an interest in scientific approach to finding the toys that were most effective for language acquisition. I believe that this research is very important to the field of child psychology, speech-language pathology, and especially for children who have delayed onset speech. Giving parents, speech pathologists, and therapists the availability of research-proven toys to aid in the transition to being vocal and/or verbal would make a very big difference in the way that language delays are approached and gives parents of neurotypical children the chance to give their child a head start in speech development. For this experiment, the group of 120 children who will be participating will be chosen on a volunteer basis from the community and pre-screened for any oral, vocal pathology that may delay speech, as well as any forms of neurodiversity. They will be of mixed gender and between the ages of 1.5 to 2 years old. These ages were chosen because that is the time of peak language acquisition, as well as having a smaller age group allows for us to make sure that the toys that are purchased are all appropriate for that age group. The children will be divided into 4 groups. Those are recommended interactive toys, non-recommended interactive toys, recommended non-interactive toys, and non-recommended non-interactive toys. The recommended toys were sourced from verywellfamily.com and NY Mag, while the non-recommended toys were chosen at random from the Learning and Development category at Target.com. The price of each individual toy will remain under $25, and the same 2 toys will be provided to each child in each of the data. The parents will observe and interact with their children for 1 hour daily in a sterile room for 30 days. The word sterile in this case means that there are no toys present and there are no other distracting items present that the child may be more interested in interacting with. The parents will take detailed notes during the session and will be taught what sounds and utterances, as well as noises or vocalizations to look for outside of words. At the conclusion of each session, the parents will fill out a questionnaire on Google Drive. Here's the questionnaire right here. And that questionnaire will be provided and written by the researcher. To encourage compliance for the parents, each of them will be given a $30 gift card at the conclusion of the study to a children's store of their choice. I want to thank you all for taking the time to attend and listen to my grant proposal. I'm very excited and very passionate about the research covered in this proposal. Previous research has shown us that quality toys and the environment in which they are played with are very important in language acquisition, and I want to further expand on that in order to help children reach their fullest potential. Language development is important and affects us all, both directly and indirectly through the achievements of our children. I hope that you will consider funding this proposal. Thank you.